Indonesia is a country which is rich with land, extending along 1,900,000 square kilometers. The homeland, with magnificently displayed prosperity, has 17,000 islands and more than 53 mountain ranges, in which volcanic soil is one of the gifts from the volcanic residue of Mount Merapi eruptions, to be utilized wisely by farmers in Indonesia. Salak, the exotic taste of Indonesia. In the Latin name, it is called Salacca edulis reynwa. Salak is known as one of the superior fruit varieties of Indonesian tropical land. The exotic taste of Indonesia is cultivated with export quality planting standards as registered with the Ministry of Agriculture of the Republic of Indonesia. The registration covers the entire cultivation process, starting from land management, seed planting, caring, to harvesting and distribution of salak fruit. Planting of salak fruit in Indonesia through modern and environmentally sound agricultural processes follows several stages in order to maintain the fruit quality. The first process in the cultivation is land management for planting of salak seeds, to be well arranged in accordance with the land registration standard. To get the best salak tree growth, planting the best seeds of Indonesia's tropical fruits. The cultivation process of salak trees has two ways of growth, which are generative and vegetative, to distinguish the length of harvesting period. This Indonesian tropical plant species is included in the palm tree species. Physically, salak tree has erect stems with neatly arranged thorny leaf midrib. The caring process is taken to ensure the quality and taste of the fruit. Cultivation of salak trees in Indonesia implements environmentally sound materials. In the process of salak tree caring, organic fertilizers are routinely applied to maintain soil and planting land health in order to achieve the best development process. The plant pollination process is directly supported by farmers using methods that have been adapted to the plant care quality standards in order to generate the growth of same-sized salak fruit. As export quality standards, salak is divided into several passing grades, for instance, Grade A and Grade B. The best salak fruit that is readily harvested is characterized by black or dark yellow skin, widened scale form, and disappearing hairs on the fruit skin. In Indonesia, the harvesting season of this fruit usually falls in November to January. With extreme caution, a farmer picks fruit from a tree. Cultivation of Indonesian salak trees has been guaranteed in quality and quantity. The modern cultivation process ensures the best level of treatment in the way of planting. The agricultural system is known as Good Agricultural Practices, or GAP. It also applies Good Handling Practices, or GHP, in accordance with the Safety Management System. With proper care using modern machinery, after salak fruits are separated from the trees, the next process is the cleaning of the fine hairs of the fruits. Afterwards, it comes to the sorting stage as per export quality. Salak is sorted by size. This sorting is done to get the best quality salak fruits to consumer satisfaction. The best salak fruits as per the quality standards are those reaching the maturity of 50 to 70%. The best fruits are then packaged as per the standards to maintain the fruit integrity. Moreover, the fruit sorting and packaging process is done by exporters to ensure the best quality salak fruits from Indonesia to arrive in consumers' hands. Exports of salak fruits have come to markets in China, Malaysia, Netherlands markets, and some markets in Middle Eastern countries. In 2012, it was recorded that Indonesian agriculture has successfully exported fruits with fantastic figures of more than 1,000 tons of fruit throughout the export destinations countries. In 2013 and 2014, Salacca is expected to be exported to Australia and New Zealand. Salacca has a unique texture. The outer skin resembles neatly arranged scales covered with shiny brown color. The pulp is covered with husk that is rich in fiber. The sweet taste and crunchy texture of the pulp present a diverse sensation when consuming this fruit. 100 grams of fruit contains 79.16 kilocalories, 2% protein and 17% carbohydrate. It also contains substances needed by our bodies, such as calcium, phosphorus, iron, vitamins B1 and C, and beta-carotene, which is useful for our eyes, skin, and nails. For daily consumption, it is recommended to consume the fruit with the husk because the highest fiber content is contained in this part. To serve salacca is quite easy. Break the rind at the small end with your fingers. Peel the rind, separate the fruit into segments, and this exotic taste of Indonesia is ready to eat. The unique Indonesian fruit also has other advantages. The fruit has been known to be efficacious for treating diarrhea. We only need to consume 20 grams of salacca fruit. Salacca fruit is ready to help with digestive problems.